welcome to my channel Computer World, and today I am gonna show you that how you can add references to your document, your thesis or research using Mendeley. So first of all you have to download the Mendeley desktop, and you can go to the Mendeley website by clicking www.mendeley.com. Then go to the reference managers and then click on Mendeley desktop. I'll give you this link in my description. You can copy and paste it and click on download now. After that you have to download desktop application by clicking this. I already downloaded it, so you can see it here. You can double tap on this and install the setup. So it's very simple. You can click on yes and then next. I already downloaded, so I don't have to install it again. So yes, let's open my Mendeley. So here's my Mendeley. This is the full view of Mendeley, and it's very easy to add any reference in your Word document. So first of all we have to connect this to your Word. So I'm gonna show you that how you can add this. So I opened my Word document and you can see that in references there is no option of Mendeley. So first of all you have to open your Mendeley. Then click on tools and then install MS Word plugin. So you have to install the MS Word plugin. Okay, we have to save this. Okay, after that we have to reopen our Word document again. Okay, so you can see that there is an option of open Mendeley. So our Mendeley is connected to our Word document. So if you want to add any research paper in your work as a reference, so simply click on add button and double click on any research paper you want to add. That is just copy the name. Okay, and for example I want to add my reference here, so click on insert citation and copy the and paste name here. So this is my research paper. Then click on OK. So you can see that the number of reference is added, but there is no bibliography. So for adding bibliography you can add it. So let me show you that how you can do this. So sorry for my spelling. Okay, you can add your bibliography by clicking on this insert bibliography, and here is our reference paper. Well, this is the IEEE format. So you can change this to any other by just clicking on this and change it to any of the style. So I'll keep it in IEEE. The other way for adding reference is click on insert citation. Okay, then go to Mendeley and you can select any paper you want to add. For example, I click on this and then make this site. So click on this site button and the paper is added in my document. References numbers is changing automatically. For example, I'm adding a reference here, so the number will be changed accordingly. So you can see this reference 1 is here, reference 2 is here, and reference 3 is here. So this is the method you can add references, and it's very easy to install and very easy to use. And before ending this video, I'm gonna show you something. So you can see this on my YouTube channels. Watch time from subscriber is only 0.8%, and 99% people's watching my videos and they are not subscribing my channel. Therefore I have just 261 subscribers. So it's a humble request to everyone who is watching my video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.